Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes myself. First, gather all your essential documents, including your W-2 forms and any Form 1099 statements. Next, decide on your filing method. Popular options include user-friendly tax software or the IRS Free File program for eligible taxpayers. Finally, determine your correct filing status, as this impacts your standard deduction and overall tax liability. This initial preparation is key for a smooth process. Once you have your documents ready, begin by accurately entering all income sources into your selected tax software. This includes wages, interest, and any other earnings. Next, identify and claim all eligible deductions and credits. These can significantly lower your taxable income and potentially increase your refund. Take your time to review every entry thoroughly before moving forward, ensuring accuracy and completeness. After inputting all your data, perform a comprehensive review of your entire return. Double-check all calculations, personal details, and bank account information for direct deposit. Decide whether to e-file for a faster refund or mail a paper return if preferred. Once submitted, remember to save digital or physical copies of your completed return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years. This ensures you have a record. To wrap up, always aim to file your taxes well before the deadline to avoid any late penalties or interest charges. If your financial situation is particularly complex, don't hesitate to seek assistance from a qualified tax professional. They can offer personalized advice and ensure everything is handled correctly. Also, for a great way to enhance your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.